Alright, boys and girls. Do y'all ever have problems with missing textures from in the Bethesda games, such as this? And you have a love-hate relationship with Bethesda because they're always screwing up their own games? Well, I have a solution for you. Alright, this next step is important. The reason the missing textures are there is because whenever you do it manually through Vortex, it doesn't actually import the textures. So what you want to do is download it manually. Alright, once your armor mod is installed, you want to go here to your Vortex application. Now, what you want to do is go here and install from files. After you got that done, you want to click on the file you want to import, and you click open. This will extract the file and import it into your save for you. Here you can just select what you want, select finish, and after it deploys, you should be all good to go. Now, oh, and I forgot to mention, this also works for other Bethesda titles such as Fallout 4, New Vegas, and Fallout 3, pretty much any other title you need. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll be happy to help you if you need anything else. Just comment down. Bye.